Na 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 na.
Ito ko gamitin to kasi kaka-release lang nito. So, medyo bago pa lang tong product na to ngayon. May konting scent siya guys, pero hindi siya yung totally mabango na yung amoy na amoy talaga. Konti lang talaga guys yung scent niya. And I like that. Mas gusto ko yung ganon. I just wanted to say that this set is really great for sensitive skin. Hi guys, it's me, Princess Sika Blackburn. So for today's video, I will be trying this Brilliant Skin Advanced Moisturizing and Hydrating Kit for 30 days. Just to see kung effective ba to sa akin or kung maganda man yung magiging result niya sa akin. Ito guys is very new na product ng Brilliant Skin Essentials and I am very excited to try this guys. As you can see guys, I love the packaging so much. Talagang kitang-kita mong nag-improve talaga siya. And also, what I love about this is yung toner. Like, nag-improve talaga guys yung toner nila. Kung makikita mo dun sa dati nilang mga toner, sobrang liit. And yun lagi yung unang-unang nauubos sa akin. And I am very happy na nilakyan nila to. And also guys, what I love about this toner is may ano siya dito. Yan, ganyan. Talagang sinecure nila guys yung ano ng toner. And also, I really love the smell. Hindi siya matapang guys. So guys, before I start, I would like to explain what is Brilliant Skin Advanced Moisturizing and Hydrating Kit. How much is this product? Well, I bought this for 350 pesos. May konting tubo lang siya guys, but it's perfectly fine kasi kitang-kita mo naman na maganda yung packaging niya. Talagang nag-improve. And also, this one, I really love this one, this toner. Lumaki yung toner kaya okay lang guys na kahit medyo mahal siya ng konti. 50 pesos lang naman yun. There will be 4 products in this set and those are Advanced Nourishing and Whitening Gentle Bar Cleanser, Advanced Hydrating Toner, Advanced Moisture Booster Gel Cream, Sunscreen Gel Cream SPF 30. So guys, the first step is we will be using this soap and gagamitin mo to every morning and night and papatagalin mo siya sa face mo for 3 minutes and after that, babanlawan mo na. So guys, after using the cleanser, the next thing that we will do is we will use their toner. Make sure guys na pa-upwards yung pag-swipe ninyo para hindi kayo magka-wrinkles or para iwas na rin sa wrinkles guys. And also guys, laging yung sasama yung neck nyo pag magpapahid din kayo. The third step is using their Advanced Moisture Booster Gel Cream. You will use this twice a day, so meaning gagamitin natin to every morning and night. And lastly, ang gagamitin natin is itong Sunscreen SPF 30. So guys, gagamitin nyo to every morning. And bago kayo lumabas guys, papatagalin nyo muna to sa face nyo for 30 minutes. Every 2 hours, lagi tayo mag-re-reapply ng sunscreen para iwas sa sun so that it could not damage our skin. I really hope na na-explain ko ng maayos sa inyo guys kung paano gamitin ang bawat product. So without further ado, let's go ahead into the video. Hi guys! So this is the first day of trying this Advanced Moisturizing and Hydrating Kit ng Brilliant Essentials. And excited ako gamitin to kasi kaka-release lang nito. So medyo bago pa lang tong product na to ngayon. And yung instructions guys na paggamit ito is parang ganun sa Tomato Micro Exfoliating Facial Set nila. So muna, then after that is yung toner, then cream, and next is yung sunscreen. Twice a day mo kasi gagamitin itong cream, and sa sunscreen is gagamitin mo siya every morning lang. So guys, ang next naman gagamitin is itong toner. May konting scent siya guys, pero hindi siya yung totally mabango na yung amoy na amoy talaga. Konti lang talaga guys yung scent niya. And I like that. Mas gusto ko yung ganon. After that is itong cream na lang ang gagamitin natin. Sabi kasi guys, dito sa instructions is twice a day natin gagamitin. So ang gagawin ko is gagamitin ko siya umaga at gabi. Okay guys, so we are done for today and I'll just see you guys on the next day. Bye-bye! So guys, today is pupunta kami sa isang restaurant and nakakatawa doon sa restaurant na yun kasi parang 3D siya. And ang gagawin ko ngayon is maghihilamos na ako. Then after that is maliligo na ako.
will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Someday I will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Yes, it's true. I love the things you do for me, the way you smile and laugh at me, it's true. Yes, I do. I love the way you think and talk, I love the way you move and walk, I do. I know it's early, but I mean every word I say. I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be there for you. Someday you could be the soccer mom, and I could get the garden done, it's true. Someday I could take the kids to school and spend the morning loving you, it's true. Yes, it's true. I love the way you wear your hair and all your different underwear, I do. Yes, I do. I'll take you on a holiday.
Hi guys! So, kakawi ko lang and ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is magbabike ako hanggang Gasan. So, magpog to Gasan and sana hindi umulan. Sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nagbabike and gusto ko magkaroon ako ng kahit konting exercise. Medyo makulimlim, so sana hindi umulan. So yeah, so let's go.
I know it's early, but I mean every word I say. I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be there for you. Someday you could be the soccer mom, and I could get the garden done, it's true. Someday I could take the kids to school and spend the morning loving you, it's true. Yes, it's true. I love the way you wear your hair and all your different underwear, I do. Yes, I do. I'll take you on a holiday to Bali, Broom and Wanglass Bay, it's true.
Ngayon is nandito kami sa Maybo. Tas mag-uulay lang kami ng hipon. Dito ako natulog sa bahay ng kaibigan ko.
Mauna daw kayo?
Ikaw na! Bilisan mo, Ronilyn. Kaya mo yan kahit mabagal. Hana, ipakita mo kung sino ka. Ipakita mo kung gano'n ka kaganda. Mag-uulay lang kami ng hipon. Mahuli ka mo, mahuli ka mo.
Wala. Huwag ka maingay.
Concentrate.
Oo.
Guys, nakauli akong hipon na yun yung maliit mo eh. Oh, hipon. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero scorpion version sabi nito.
Galing talaga po. Sa gilid ka lang.
Killer pang. Killer pang. So guys, ngayon is maliligo naman kami sa dagat. Kaya nagmamadali ako maglilinis ng vlog. Biglaan lang, as in super duper biglaan lang. So yeah, let's go. Bawal sumama.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water is so clear and blue, all my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long, I like singing you this song. Skinny dipping with the moon, life's more fun when I'm with you. These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.
Hi guys! So this is finally the end of this video, and I just wanted to say that this set is really great for sensitive skin. But while I was using this set, hindi ko na-achieve yung glass skin that I really wanted. And also guys, nagkaroon ako ng konting breakout while using this. But siguro dahil na rin sa naligo ako sa dagat, kaya nagkaroon ako ng konting breakout. But it's totally fine guys. I still love this product kasi hindi siya matapang and wala ako naramdaman na hapde while using this set. And if you also have any questions, then please comment down below and I'll answer it all. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And also please hit that notification bell so you won't miss a video that I'm posting every week. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!